Have you ever wondered why some people regret losing someone years later, while others never look back? The answer isn't revenge, begging, or trying to make them jealous. Psychology shows that people feel the deepest regret when they realize they lost someone who continued growing without them. In this video, I'll share 7 silent ways to make people regret losing you without saying a single word. 1. Stop chasing them. The moment someone decides to leave, many people start chasing. They text more, call more, and try harder. But here's the truth. If someone can't see your value, explaining it won't make them see it. Silence often creates more reflection than endless conversations. When you stop chasing, they lose the reassurance that you'll always be there. And that's when many people start questioning their decision. 2. Focus on yourself. Nothing creates regret faster than seeing someone improve after a difficult loss. Start exercising, learn new skills, read more, build your career. The goal isn't to impress them. The goal is to become a better version of yourself. People often regret losing someone when they realize that person's potential after they're gone. 3. Stop checking their life. Many people stay emotionally stuck because they're constantly watching, checking stories, checking posts, checking updates. Every time you do this, you're feeding the attachment. Instead, redirect that energy toward your own life. The less attention you give them, the more freedom you gain. 4. Control your emotions. Pain is normal, but don't let pain control your actions. Avoid angry messages, emotional outbursts, or desperate reactions. Psychologically, emotional control signals strength. People often expect you to break down after losing them. When you remain calm and dignified, it leaves a lasting impression. 5. Build a happy life without them. The biggest surprise for some people is realizing you can be happy without them. Spend time with family, develop hobbies, create meaningful goals. A fulfilled life sends a powerful message. You love them, but you didn't need them to survive. 6. Forgive and move forward. Holding on to resentment keeps you connected to the past. Forgiveness doesn't mean what happened was okay. It means you're choosing peace over bitterness. The strongest people don't carry revenge in their hearts. They carry lessons, and then they move forward. 7. Become unforgettable through growth. The people who are remembered most aren't the ones who begged to stay. They're the ones who grew. They became wiser, stronger, more confident, more successful. When someone realizes they lost a genuinely valuable person, regret often follows naturally. Remember, the goal isn't to make someone regret losing you. The goal is to become so focused on your own growth that their opinion no longer matters. And that's when true healing begins. Subscribe to Cortex Mastery for more psychology and self-improvement videos.